Ooh, okay, guys, part three of this tutorial. Did I? Yeah, I did. Part three of this tutorial thingy. So, since last time, I actually did add like one super subtle thing. You probably can't tell it through the YouTube quality, but right here, if I solo this layer, there's clouds back here, and you just see just like a little bit of clouds in the back. If I turn it like off, there's it without. There's it with it. So, okay. Yeah, that's all I did. Like, all I did was just slip this under the layer. And yeah. Okay. So, now, we're going to add other touches. One thing I want to try to do is... Wait a minute. No. Wait, let me see. If I turn this off... Okay, it's all part of the same layer. I was going to try to add some sort of effect to the sword, like to make it glow, but since it's on the same layer as Loco, it's not really going to work out. I want to test it, so just for funsies, just a second. Alright, so I have this is like a sword layer on top of the other sword layer. I'm going to just go to add. I want to see if this like brightens up the reds. Yeah, it kind of does. And then I'm going to go to glow. Because you know what add does? It gets rid of black. And since most of this sword is black, you know, it's mostly affecting the red. Although it is getting the blade a bit. I want to see what happens if you glow like this add layer. I think it could give it cute effect. Whoa. Oh, no, it's making it too bright in the middle. See, I wanted the, like, you know, blade to still be black. Not like, you know, turn white and shit. I mean, you could do it if you know, export another SWF and Flash that just had, like, the red parts of the sword, but, meh. Oh, well. Alright. I think I'm going to add a flare for when the sword... I'm going to turn this down quality-wise. It's lagging. I'm going to add a flare to the sword when it transforms. So, bloop. I'm going to go to layer, new, solid, okay. Now I'm going to get the flares plugin. And then go to options. And then, let's see. I like getting a preset and then like fucking with it after. Okay, so I'm gonna get this, make it red. Okay, this thing is blue, so let's make that red. And let's see, I want to hide this. Hiding a couple of things. There we go. Oops. What's this? No, you're fine. You can stay. Hey, sorry. Trying to find this like red dot. I don't want that there. Oh, here you are. Okay. And I think that's pretty good. I feel like there's a little bit of a... whatever. Okay. And so, yeah, I have it like on a black solid like this, so if I hit add, you'll see it. Alright, now, I think it'd be cool to have it like, should it be there, or should it be here? Alright, I'm going to hit U on this SWF we added that glow to earlier when it turned white. And is this my red flare? Yeah. Alright, I'm going to drag it on top of here so I can work with it easier. I'm going to hit the keyframe on the brightness thing, hit U so it comes up here. I like working in here. So here I am going to make this 0, and then here just make it brighter, like really bright. And then here, I will, wait, do you see that? There's like one line of pixels. What the fuck? Whatever. Okay. And here I'll bring it back down to 100 or whatever it is that we want to have everything at. Alright, now for the position I'm going to hit the keyframe thing on this. Alright, so let's see. I'm just going to solo these 2 layers, so now it's moving a lot faster for me. Okay. Oh, I want to solo the layers below it too. Yeah. So it'll appear here. Alright. So, let's see. Alright, so, the flare starts coming in here, so I'll start keyframing here too. Okay. This is the, alright, I'll just shift that way. This doesn't really matter right now, because our lens flare only is like doing this. Well, wait, let's see. Oh, I guess it affects it a little bit. See this like little glint on the lens flare? Yeah, this affects like how much it's, you know, you see what's fucking happening when I move it. Okay, so, alright, right here, the sword is like slowly going down. Yeah. And I think right here it starts like picking up speed. Okay, and I'll just drag that down. Let's hope this follows it pretty well. No, it doesn't. It does right there though. Where? Wait, okay, let's see. Okay, I have this like kind of at the center of the sword. Where do I want this? Let me figure that out. Do I want this here or here? Another thing I want to do is in this optical flares plugin. Wait, is this? Okay, I wasn't sure if it was recording. Usually there's a thing up here for me. Okay, another thing in this optical flares is there's a thing called flicker. And let's see, I'm gonna do the amount 30 speed. You just like fuck with this until something looks good. And so if I like watch it here, see how this is like kind of lighting back and forth. It does that shit for you automatically. It's kind of nice. So you just figure out the numbers you want. Yeah, and I think like here, about here, I'm gonna hit the keyframe, and then right when it like locks into his hand, I'm gonna have this like die out. Oops, die. And yeah. Okay, that's cute. So now I just gotta, oops, I hope I didn't move that. Now I just gotta keyframe this onto the sword. Okay. Okay, what I'm actually going to do is make this invisible. The cool thing is you can still see this. So I want to just try to align this to the, okay, here, start getting low, so I'm just going to position you towards the center. Let's see, okay, center sword. Loop. Alright, let's see if you behave. Alright, yeah, for the most part, you're in the center. I guess that's good for now. Now here, alright. Okay, I'm not sure where it's coming from, so let's see. Okay. Here we go. Set that here. Oh no. Also, shortcuts, page up and page down on your keyboard cycles through shit frame by frame in After Effects, so that's useful to know. Alright, here. Alright. Yeah. In After Effects, anyways, like, if things start going off, I just go frame by frame and I'm like, no, stay. Stay. Good. No, stay. Okay, good boy. Alright. And here, I'm gonna, it's about, I'll set it here. Wait, let me check which. Oh, actually, it's right here. And I want that to. Okay, it stops moving right here. So if I go down. Okay. Whoop. 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 Okay. Yeah. Alright, cool. So, hopefully that doesn't look too bad animated. I think it'll be alright though. Okay. I need to fix this part right here. Alright. So I'm gonna just kind of watch how like this thing is moving. Alright. Does it look like it's... Wait, what the fuck? Why is... What the fuck? Oh, that's you. Oh, my bad. I was looking at this dot. I was like, why are you sitting there? Okay, but yeah, it's good. It's right here. Okay. Why does it like go up? So, instead of keyframe interpolation, no, spatial, I want linear. Do I? Wait, cancel. I'm gonna make it keyframe interpolation linear. I think I'll make another tutorial explaining what this is all about, because this is actually like one of the most confusing things about After Effects. Like for me anyways, it took me a while to like really understand and learn it. Okay. So, yeah. I'm making sure this is aligned, like, totally right. Okay, right there. You line up right there. Sorry, this is a bit of a tedious process, I mean. Okay, but it should look good. Alright, people will notice. People will notice how fucking dope it is. Okay, one thing that I will change though. Okay, so. Okay, this is bothering me so much. You probably can't tell on YouTube, but there's like a line right here where lens flare isn't like touching. Let me see if that's just... Okay, that's just because it's in third quality. In full quality, it's fine. But yeah, so let's go down. Oops, I'll go to third. Alright. Alright, so it drops... Yeah, that's another tip about After Effects. If you're working in the lower quality and like something looks wrong and you were just like, this doesn't make sense, check if it's working in full quality, because it probably is. But yeah. Alright. So, one thing I should adjust. Okay. So, right here, I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna just bring the brightness down barely, like to 90. Yeah. And I'm gonna go to this frame and see when you zoom in, see how like powerful this is, like covering like the entire screen, but when you zoom in, it's a lot weaker because it's this is acting as if it's like a 2D thing right now. So it's only like, you know, covering the same, what was it? It's doing the same amount of power as it was like when it was this far zoomed out. And the point is, you just have to make this shit brighter, in order to like match it to how it was here. So you just kind of eye it, I guess. And one thing I could do is this the light right here? Yeah, this is the light. Well, or no, I kind of want to keep that. I'm just going to duplicate it, and right here I'll hit Control-Shift-D, get rid of this, so it's like, you know, the normal light beforehand. And then when it drops down, I'm going to go into this light and then light options. And then I'm going to just turn this red. Hit OK. So, let's see. Hit U. Okay. He has like a... Okay, that's good. So he fades it out the exact same time as I did. Alright, so how strong do I want this? See, if I make this stronger, look how like red he'll get. Yeah, that's a little too much. Use see, what you don't want is like a loss in detail. Or let's see. Yeah, that pretty much that. See how like white, like it's called like getting blown out. Like his face is blown out right now to where you can't really see. If I get rid of this light, how he had it before, you could hopefully you could see you could see like the pixels of like the detail in his face. But once things are too blown out, then it's like it's not good to lose details, what I'm trying to say. So what I might do is, see, I want the red, so I might lower his original white light. Not negative. Negative actually like makes things darker if you go negative. Yeah, so I'll do like 10% here. Yeah. This will be like 60%. Let me see, light options. Oops, light options, color. Will this make it better? I don't know. Usually you kind of want to go with a more white-ish color. Yeah, see, this makes it dark, and I kind of want it to be like a bright red light, so go for pinkish. I don't know, too bright. Can't tell it's red anymore. Gotta get somewhere in the middle. Alright, that's good enough. And yeah. And like, see, the thing is, like, what's nice about this is when you're zoomed in and you have this like red light at 60% just like on him, it's going to like, and then like once the flare like goes away, it's going to contrast so much. Like, contrast is a good thing whenever I say contrast. See, like, look at this. It goes like from like op like red light to just this. Yeah. So I might make another like video on just contrast alone. Like what? It's like cool. But yeah. Okay, anyways. So that goes over like, see, what was it? I didn't even look at this, but see how this nigga was red? Like, the point, like, even though he doesn't have a flare on this one, I just wanted a really powerful red light, you know, sort of thing to come from the sword. Like, I wanted it to be even stronger. If I had the Swift, I probably would have originally just done the red details of the sword, making them, like, glow super powerfully. And it, like, calming down once Loco grabs it. But a flare works, and we can change it if he doesn't like it. So let's see. Um, all right. Other thing I haven't even touched was the clouds. So let me go back to third. Um, let's see. Let's see how this guy. Oops. How this guy. It's interesting because what this guy did was kind of the opposite of what Loco did. It was still good what Loco did, but his like what's it called? Background elements that are closer are really dark, and if you look here, Loco's clouds are like lit up pretty well in the front, and then they get darker as they go back, and either way works, but yeah. I'm just trying to decide like if I should try to switch it up to this style or not. Nah, I think it's good. The only thing I would do, Loco, is to give it that like depth feel. Oops, is find your clouds. Wait, which cloud is this? Let me go to that shot where, yeah, like this. Okay. Hide this. All right, that's the back one. I'm going to see if you type in blur, oops, and go down. See, here's blur and sharpen. There's a whole category for it. There's a fuckload of blurs. The two like probably best blurs I like to use is fast blur and Gaussian blur. So normally I just type in fast and this comes up, and yeah, click fast blur. So when you click and drag on the fast blur, it goes like really fast. See how blurred out that is? It's basically gone. Because, so what I do is hold control so it like goes slowly, and then, yeah. Alright, so, yeah, that's about as much blur. I don't want to over blur it, so, let's see. Yeah, give that a 4. So just remember what this number is in the back, so I'll go to 3, hit paste, and then I'll give this like a 3, I got this, I know how I'm going to do this, and then, oops, that's 2, you could also just type in the fucking number, then go to cloud 2, put in 2, I'm just pasting the effect, I'm hitting control V to put the effect in, and then the clouds in the front, I'll give it a 1, even though like it's so little, you probably won't even notice it. But whatever. Alright. So there we go. Now the other thing is some clouds in the front. One thing I want to try. I want to try this. Let's go to my hard drive. Oops, that's my school shit. Resources. I want to go to Video Copilot, Action Essentials. Alright. If you guys don't have Action Essentials, you should probably find a torrent for it. It's like super easy, but what it is stock footage, which means it's like some nigga got a camera and recorded effects. That's like what stock footage is, and yeah. So one of my favorite effects in the stock footage is this one, Atmosphere. See if I like script through it. It's just like this fog that it's like, yeah, shit. It's a lot shorter than I remember it being, though. We'll see if I can make this work. Okay. See, I might have to... Alright, let me just see if I could get it to work here, because I think it would look super dope. Alright. Atmosphere, drag. Okay. So, one thing is, it's all brown and poop and shit looking. So, let's go to curves. Double click that. Let's go into the blue value. Actually, I'm gonna solo this so I only see this. See, look at that. It's already matching. It's matching our scene. All right. Also, there's alpha, which is cute. So like you can you know, kind of make things more transparent, I guess. So yeah. Yeah. So fuck, man. This. The problem with Action Essentials, though, is these are actually pretty fucking high quality effects, so kind of lags your scene up. So, let's see. I'm gonna I'm gonna hit Control Save just because I've done a bit of stuff. I'm gonna hit the render button, and ah, shit, that's kind of cool. Look how long that took me. That was like a full like 30 seconds. Slap that effect in. One thing I might do is make the smoke a 3D layer, so it like has the parallax with the camera movement. Shit, son. So yeah, adding like realistic effects like this alone, I think helps your video a lot, just because it has so much more detail in comparison to sprites. It just like, you know, it feels. The thing is though, you want to make sure you blend it in good. There's nothing worse than having like real life effects, like, I don't know, blended in poorly into your animation. Alright, let's see. Okay, actually, it doesn't look that good animated in my opinion. I mean, like, if you have a still frame of this, still frame, it, I think, would look good. I'm trying to figure out. Like, one thing I could do is slow this down, but that also might make it look bad. Actually, yeah, no, slowing it down is what I should do. I'm gonna go to time stretch. See, okay, there's time stretch where, so if I typed in 50%, it would make it like, around, 50%. It would make it like 1/2 the speed. So that's one way you could do it. Or there's also time. See, all I did was right click here, right click, time, enable time remapping. And what this does is it shows keyframes of, basically these keyframes are what the time is on it. And if I just like click this out, it's like literally like, it's like a tween, but like the literal time of this like video of this thing. So it pretty much just stretched it out and made it that much slower. It's a cute little tool. So yeah, I think I'll go with this slow for now. I am going to toggle switch, make this a 3D layer. Alright, let's see. You. Okay. I want you forward in space. Oh shoot. I want you smaller though. Oh, not that small. Oh shit. No, yeah, like this. I'm figuring you out, don't you worry. Also, if you want to see two things at once, see, like if you're working with scale and position at the same time, you'd have to hit P for position, S for scale, and it's like, fuck. You could hold shift and hit the other one, so like shift S will have position and scale pop up at the same time. So that's a cute little trick. Okay, anyways, enough about my little bags of tricks. Okay. So, I'm wondering if this is enough, like just this smoke layer. Okay. So if I, let's play it. After Effects. This is the waiting game. Oh shit, I have to offset it because right here it's just like there's no smoke. And you want it to be filled the entire, oh shit, I didn't notice this. See how the stars are flipping shit right now? That's what it does in the beginning of that preset we did earlier. So you just have to also shift it over. Okay, so how long is this? 30 minutes. Fuck guys, I'm sorry for taking so long. I didn't realize how long this would take me to edit. But look how fucking dope this is. I think this is looking cool. Look at that shit. Alright, let's see. Yeah, that's a pretty good pace actually. Like for the smoke, I like the speed of it. It matches everything else fairly well. So, alright. First thing is I'm going to, clip it here. Oh, shit. Alright, I'm gonna hit you on this null object. Okay, so this keyframe is where the camera switches. Alright. I'm gonna like cheat this. You don't have to do everything perfectly in After Effects. See, I'm just gonna duplicate and move this back here. And where is this guy? Oh shit, I don't even see him. Wait, I'm confused. Where is this layer? I'm gonna hit 0. Move this around. Oh, hi there. Let me scale you down a bit. You. Alright, I want. Oh shit. Okay, it's not on this shot for long. So, let's see. Let me hit P, because I do want it like forward a bit, yeah. Alright, so let's see. Alright, is that a cool smoke thingy while he's standing there? Let's get a little more in, maybe. Let's see how, this might be too high. Let's unsolo it. I think it will probably work. Let's, one thing though, is solo this again. I'm gonna bring this even closer to the camera. Oh shit. Oh, I see. See, what it was before, see how this was negative 1,000? When I went like this, so once it's past this value right here, negative 700 something, it actually like, the thing physically goes behind the camera so you can't see it anymore. So, yeah, gotta keep it about here. Let's make the scale smaller. Oh shit. And yeah, let's, a little too small. Okay. Now let's oh, whoops. Make sure to Control Shift D here. Okay. So yeah, if I solo this as well, you can see this one. So here's this guy, and then this when you zoom in. Okay, now there's another zoom in. Alright, so let's hit Control Shift D. I'm going to Control D. And drag this out. Or I'll do it about here. Offset the timing just a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna hit P. Yeah, so since the camera is even closer, you have to bring this closer in order for the camera to even fucking see it. So I'm gonna scale this down as well, so it's not huge. So yeah, total cheating. But you know, as animators, you have to cheat to get what you want. See, the smoke fog, whatever, is sort of going away, which I don't want. So I'm gonna drag it like this, and yeah, okay, cool. All right. See, that's this one. So once it's here, I'm gonna hit Control Shift D. And then get this like little bit. See, if I zoom in, this like bit was like in here, so I'm gonna get rid of that. So shit, that might not be believable, I guess, because let's see how all these transition when you zoom in and out. This might take a while to render. Let's listen to some music, guys. Music time. YouTube. Uh, uh, nigger music. Oh my god, there's a playlist called nigger music. I'm down with you, nigga. Alright, how's the After Effects doing? Alright, cool. It finished. That was a productive use of our time. Alright. You know what? This works for me. How about you guys? You know, oh fuck, you guys can't answer me right now. I think I might just lower that one. I think it was too high. Yeah. I like it how when it's like kind of lower on the stage. Okay, so here, oops, here, I'm just gonna go like this, make it lower. Yeah, even though, let's see, yeah, that's good. And alright, so okay. See, the problem with the clip and the reason why I keep splitting it is because it's such a short thing. I'm sorry, let me cut this first. It's such a short clip, I have to pretty much keep starting it over in order for it to work. So, start over once it goes here. I just duplicated it from this like camera thing so I wouldn't have to redo it. Okay, zoom in, page down to move forward. Alright, and if I go here, then it's there. And let's see, it should parallax when the camera moves up. Yeah, see, it's parallaxing, so the fog stays down. That's a good thing. That's what I didn't want to keyframe manually. So, alright, cool. So, smog's down there. And since After Effects is kind of fucking stupid, it'll take its time, like, trying to render out, even though it's off screen. So let's just Control-Shift-D and cut that off. I Control-Shift-D and Control-X on that. That's how I did that really fast. Okay, so, okay. And then this nigga drops down. And oh, that's dope. See, the red is like hitting the ground a bit. And let's say Control D here. And I wonder if it'd be cool to. So if it's on this smoke layer, let's go to the reds, and doesn't make much of a difference. A little bit. This is the before and this is the after. Holy shit. Okay. I'm gonna move you down a little bit. No? Okay, whatever. And so. Dope. Okay. Do Control-Shift-D. Move you here. Let's see if I lined that up properly. This one isn't, so I'm gonna go like that. Alright. Now, yeah, I actually like how this red smoke came out, and I kind of want that again. Alright, so where's the light? Here's the light. Okay. So here's a keyframe here for when the lens flare is gone and the light as well. So I'm going to hit a keyframe here because at the moment this smoke layer is the one that has like the blue setup. So yeah, I'm going to just hit U so we could see it right here. So there's a curves keyframe. And then I'm going to go here. See, the color correction curves can be keyframed itself, which is kind of cool. So right here I'm going to go to the red and make this smoke more red. And maybe I'll just take out a little bit of blue just to make this like, oh no, I need a little bit of blue. Yeah, so yeah, so the smoke, see how it's the line is right here? Or I should probably go to the red so you can see. See, it's like slowly going down. and then it goes back to its original color. So yeah, details. There's so many fucking details that I put into these goddamn shit. Okay, so I think for the most part, let me check. Are we done? Like, I'm kind of satisfied with how it's looking. There's all these like little particle shit. We could add particles if we want. I'll just should I? I'm trying to think. Let's try something really quick. First off, is this the particular? Yeah. I'm going to shift that there to the right because the stars were tripping out in the beginning. Alright. Now, I'm going to make a... Wait a minute. Is this going to work? Okay, let's try it. Layer, new, solid. Okay. Let's also go to particular. Actually, shit. I'm so sorry. I'm not making any sense. I'm going to do the same thing as last time, actually, because I think this might work out for what I want to try to do. So here's effects presets. Let's go to star static 1. Okay. Now, if I hit U on star static, I'll explain to you what it's doing in the particle thing. This is spitting out 100,000 particles right now, and then right here, well, anyways, here it starts spitting out 0, and then on the physics time factor, it goes to 0. So basically, what that does is it pauses. Like, everything is just standing still. And that's what, like, created the star effect earlier. So, anyways. I want a fuckload less stars. And also, I don't really want to see the emitter point. So, okay, wait. Because, like, right here, you can see they're all gathering from that, like, point. So, first, I'm going to just shift this off. Actually, well, shifting it off. Alright. And also, I want to hell of a lot less than these. I'm going to cut it in half, so I'm going to just take this 10, make it 5. Alright. Now, particles. I don't want these ugly looking circle shit. Let's make a clouded. No. Sphere. Okay. What I want to try to do is make the size a lot smaller. That's too small. That's 0. Shit. I'm trying to make these, like, really fucking small. See, that's too big. 0.01. 0.001. Can these stars not get any fucking smaller? God damn it. Damn it. I just wanted, like, specks in the air, but it's not letting me. Yeah, it's not gonna work out. Sorry guys, that was a waste of time. One thing that you can do though, see how it says particle type? There's a particle type called sprite. Yeah, it's sprite. But excuse me. Yeah, that's why you use MBR versus Nivlac with all the rocks. So yeah. Nice. Okay. Get rid of that. Alright, so shit guys, I think we're basically done then. Let me zoom out more. Jesus. I feel like I am missing something I usually add though. Okay, so if I go here, this is it's like watermark and stuff. One thing I sometimes add, which I think helps, is layer new solid, or no, fuck that shit. Oops. Alright. Oh, you added a little glow to it. That's cute. Okay. I'm going to get rid of that glow. And not that it was bad, but alright. Going to type in vignette. Alright, and then I'm gonna just make this like really light. Like, yeah, 25%. So like here's the before, or no, here's the after, is before. And it doesn't do that much, honestly. It just makes it a bit brighter in the center. So, kind of, yeah. But yeah, I think I pointed out other things that you could like maybe add on Loco. One, the sword, I think should it be in front of his face? Well, it should at least be in front of his like back shoulder right here. But let's see. You could decide later if it looks better to have, like, cause it's good to like show character expression, and if the sword's covering that, then yeah, don't put the sword in front. But yeah, let's see. I'm wondering maybe adding glow to the cloud. I know what we could do. Although it doesn't follow this at all. It's going to layer new solid. Okay. And I'm gonna make a ramp. Okay. And let's switch these. I'm gonna make this black, make this white. Okay. And let's go down. Throw this behind the clouds. Let's make it an add. And no, this isn't what I wanted. Wait, no, we have to switch it again. Alright, black. Alright. This is too strong right now. You'll see what I'm doing. You'll see what I mean. Alright. Actually, does that look good? I'm gonna go to full. I'm gonna make it blend a bit better, but what happens if I go to screen? So it's more, not much. Add. Let's blend with the original. Alright. Yeah, I was thinking just like a light, like, basically the reason why like I think this will look good, this like gradient right here, is because the sky was so dark and black, yet these clouds are so bright because of like the moon's light. I felt like this should be like lit up a bit in the back. And yeah, I think let's see, before, after. I think it works out. Wait, let's see if it works out in all the other camera angles though. Yeah, that works there. Yeah, it works there too. Okay. Yeah, I think, maybe I'll have to lower it when it goes up that high. No, I mean, it's alright. I think I'm just gonna... Thing is, it doesn't look bad when the glow is gone either. I'll just blend it more so it gets darker. Wait, is this... Wait, I wanna see. Okay, yeah, this is no difference. So this is like your transparency. Okay, so let's go to 70. Yeah, I think that's good. Also, you kind of end up seeing the detail and the clouds I added in the back, so that's cool. Alright. What happens if I move this up? That. I don't want that. Okay, here. So, yeah. I'm just playing with the colors to see anything will look better. Okay. Oh, I see. So when it's black, like, see, it's this point right here, and when it was black, you couldn't see any of the cloud detail at all. But once you make it a lighter color, it starts to come out. So I don't want much detail, but I think a little bit is good. So, okay. Okay. It's not much, but it's actually more than what was before, I guess. So, yeah. Alright. And really, I think that concludes this little tutorial. I don't know, just so wait. Let me try glow in the clouds. Alright. Let's add glow. Whoa. Okay. I don't get why there's multiple cloud layers. Is there a reason? Let me get rid of that. Add it to here. Okay, whatever. Okay, so right now it looks like shit because it just changed the color, but if we adjust the values a bit more. Let's solo this out. Okay. Alright, what's it look like without the glow? Okay, I want to go for that color. Thing is with glows, you don't totally want to change the color, but you just want to. The point of glows is like to give it a nicer effect, I guess. Okay, so there's the original color. Now if I go like this, increase the glow radius. Alright. Unsolo that. Wait, is that what I did? Shade. Wait. Yeah, actually, glow might not work out well. Wait, what the fuck? Why does that cloud look so much brighter than all the other ones? Did I do something? I'll just Control Z. I can't Control Z anymore, I know. Okay, but I know here, get rid of that. Okay, I'm going crazy. I feel like that bit of the cloud right here is like super bright and it's like annoying the shit out of me. But okay. I guess, did I get rid of, wait. Oh no, I didn't. Okay, I thought I got rid of all that shit we did before. Okay. Well, see, I go through this all the time, guys, where I think of something, try it, and then I'm like, no, that looks like shit. So the point is, don't be a pussy and be afraid to, you know, work out ideas. Because I do it all the time, and that's the reason why I get better, I guess, at whatever I do. Not saying I'm like fucking, I'm not trying to be cocky, I'm just saying I know I get better because I fuck around. And yeah. Okay, I'm done taking up your time. I'll render out before and after right now. I'll bloop, bloop, blah.